Okay, so welcome to part 7. This is a bit more of a challenging part. First bit we're going to do is the slider plate at the bottom. This has constant cross section along a couple of ways, but it's probably the most detail is going to be from the front view. So let's draw it from the front view. We use this as a datum edge on the plane, and this has a line that is not symmetrical around the center, and then it has a circle here, and it's got a diameter of 56, and then there's another circle inside because it's a hole, which is 34, and dimensioning that 42. We also know that between there and there is 42, and that between here and the end point is 50 plus 73, which is 123. We know they link, and they have tangency, so and snip away the bits we don't need. Oops, that's wrong. I've missed a couple of edges bits out there. Now, I think that these are probably been designed to be equal, so this length and this length, and the dimension is 12. Both move together now, and these are definitely at a tangent to this, and then remove what we don't need. We can then extrude that symmetrically. Its total width is 66. Next step, sketch on the right plane. We need to remove this material. We can actually use that line there, and then center it off there. The width of this is 42. Height doesn't matter as long as it's bigger, so we'll go with 80. And then extrude symmetrically, sketch 2, remove, drag it way through it. That's our part there. Next bit is this bit on top. So as we've done before, we're going to need to create another plane in a bit. So, but first of all, on the front plane, it is basically, we're going to draw the very biggest circle, which is a diameter of 48, and then inside there we've got a diameter of 20. We'll draw the shoulder feature in later. Extrude that symmetrically. It says its width is 55. Okay, now it's a different colour because they're different parts, but we'll union those together. So the two rib features that are going to sit around here and here are symmetrical around this plane, so we're going to only need to draw one, but it is offset. So we're going to use this plane, offset it, and we're we're going to offset it by well, it says there's 19mm between the two ribs and then 9mm, so altogether between centres is 28 between centres, so halfway there is going to be 14. Okay, so there's our plane. So now we're going to sketch on plane 1. We're going to use this and then draw a line from here to here, up to there, and down. Remove that one. So length of this line is 66. May have to draw a construction line here. Not necessarily. So the centre of that's going to be 50 in. So this is 17 from here to here. Oh, okay, the reason is we've not positioned this correctly, have we? So go back to that previous sketch here. It's blue, we can see there because we've not positioned it. But its height from here is actually 45. And its distance from the edge from there to there is 50. Now when we go back in, our sketch now is symmetrical, that works okay. Now we can extrude that feature. I think they're only 9mm wide. And they're symmetrical around the plane we just made. Okay, now we can mirror that. So mirror, part 3, mirror plane is the front plane. There they are. Use Boolean to union all of them together. Okay. Now we need that shoulder feature on here. So we'll use the inside circle and then create another circle that is 34. Okay, extrude, remove that, and it goes in approximately 5mm, I think. Yep, 5mm. Don't want to draw that twice, so we'll mirror. This time it's a feature mirror, not a part, because it's a feature. That extrude feature, and the mirror plane is there. Oops, mirror plane. There, it's done on both sides now. Last section is to draw in this slot. So sketch on that plane on top. A construction line. Dimension it. Says the edge is 24mm from there. And it is 36mm long. And we'll use the slot feature. and we know the radius there is 7. Okay, we can extrude and remove that, and then we are done.